In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Kanban in Jira. We're going to walk through the setup process from the moment you open Jira all the way to creating your Kanban space and getting it ready for tasks. This is a great option if you want a simple visual workflow to track work as it moves from one stage to the next. To begin, go to Spaces and click the plus icon. This is where you create something new in Jira, and from here, you'll be able to choose the type of workspace or project you want to set up. Once the menu opens, click on Kanban. Jira offers different ways to organize work, and Kanban is ideal when you want continuous task flow rather than fixed sprint cycles. After that, click Use Template. Using the template helps Jira generate the basic structure for you, so you don't have to build the board from scratch. It's the fastest way to get started. Next, type the name for your Kanban space. Choose something clear and recognizable, especially if multiple people will be using it. A good name makes it easier to find later and keeps your workspace organized. You'll then arrive at the section called How Your Space is Managed. Here, Jira asks you to choose between team managed and company managed. This choice affects how the project is configured and who controls its settings. Select from team managed or company managed, and in this example, click Team Managed. Team managed spaces are usually easier to set up and are a good choice if you want more flexibility within a single team without needing broader administrative control. Once that's selected, click Next. On the following screen, click Next again to continue through the setup. Jira may show a few configuration prompts during this process, so just keep moving forward as instructed. When you see the option, I'll do this later, click it. This lets you skip optional setup details for now so you can finish creating the Kanban board first. You can always come back later and customize additional settings once the board is ready. At this point, wait for the template to finish setting up. Jira will take a moment to build the space and prepare the board layout for you. Depending on your connection, this may only take a few seconds. When the setup is complete, click Done. That will take you into your new Kanban board. Now, your Kanban space is ready and you can start adding tasks to your board. From here, you can begin organizing work into columns and tracking progress visually. That's how to apply Kanban in Jira.